What if you could stop wasting time and money on the wrong business bank account? Exploding head. We're talking about two heavyweights in the modern business finance ring, Relay and Brex. Choosing between them isn't about which one is inherently better, it's about which one is the perfect fit for your business. Let's break down the key differences so you can pick your champion. Relay, the cash flow clarity king crown. Relay is built for small to medium-sized businesses and entrepreneurs who prioritize detailed financial organization and no-fee banking. The Relay Edge. Financial organization, this is Relay's superpower. You can create up to 20 separate checking accounts for free, each with its own account and routing number. Think profit-first budgeting made digital. You can segment funds for payroll, taxes, operating expenses, and more, giving you crystal-clear cash flow control. Team control, you get up to 50 virtual or physical debit cards with customizable spending limits and granular user permissions. It's perfect for giving your team or bookkeeper limited access without compromising security. Fee structure, for their starter plan, it's truly fee-free, no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and free domestic ACH transfers. They also offer higher-tier paid plans for advanced features like same-day ACH and automated bill payment. Who it's for: small businesses, agencies, e-commerce shops, and any business that needs a high degree of internal financial organization. Brex, the high-growth powerhouse rocket. Brex, on the other hand, is a complete spend management platform that includes banking services, specifically targeting venture-backed, high-growth, and enterprise companies. The Brex Edge. Integrated spend management, Brex is more than a bank account, it's a financial stack. It combines a business account with a powerful corporate credit card that offers rich rewards on common startup spend categories like travel and software. High yield and insurance, their Brex cash account can put your idle cash to work, often offering a competitive yield through a money market fund. Plus, they offer significantly higher FDIC insurance limits, which is critical for funded startups with large cash reserves. Global focus, Brex supports global payments and multi-currency transactions, making it a natural fit for companies with international operations. Who it's for: funded startups, tech companies, and larger corporations that need robust expense tracking, a high-limit corporate card, and are already managing significant monthly spend. Note that Brex has strict eligibility requirements and is generally not for sole proprietorships. The verdict: pick your platform. So, how do you choose? If you're a small to mid-sized business looking to conquer your cash flow, simplify budgeting with multiple accounts, and keep costs zero, Relay is your go-to. It's the tool for financial clarity. If you're a high-growth, funded startup or a larger company looking for an integrated financial operating system that includes a corporate card with great rewards, high FDIC insurance, and advanced expense controls, Brex is the winner. It's built for scale and sophisticated spend. Think about your business size, your growth trajectory, and whether you need an organizational tool or a comprehensive spending platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.